Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the Prado to ACC or on so the head unit is active. This allows pairing signals to broadcast. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth menu and make it discoverable so the Prado can find it. Make sure you select the Prado's Bluetooth mode on the infotainment screen under Settings right arrow Bluetooth, right arrow Add Device. This is the trigger that advertises the car to nearby devices. Doing these first steps prevents wasted searches and speeds. You now select the Prado entry on your phone when it appears. This initiates secure pairing. Then confirm the PIN shown on both the head unit and your phone. Make sure they match and tap Accept on both sides. After the connection, the phone will request permissions for contacts, messages, and media. Grant these so phone lines and audio work. Once paired, set the phone as the primary device in favorites or device priority, so it reconnects automatically when you enter the vehicle. You finish by testing a call and playing music to confirm microphone routing and media playback through the Prado speakers. Listen for clear audio. If you hear nothing, make sure the head unit source is set to Bluetooth and that phone media volume is up, not just ringtone volume. If pairing fails repeatedly, remove the Prado from your phone's device list and clear Bluetooth pairings on the head unit, then repeat the pairing sequence. This clears cached conflicts and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.